So hi guys, I'm here. Just keep quiet. It's around midnight tonight, and it's my first time to do a prank to my wife. This is first time to prank her birthday. First time I want to see her face. I want to see the reaction to our kids, their faces, their reaction. Especially to my wife because it's her birthday. So when she wake up in the morning, we will try to prank her or something. We'll try to give her a gift. So this is it, guys. So she's really longing for this. This is the Xiaomi Smart Antibacterial Humidifier. So the story about this is, every time we went to Xiaomi store or every store that has a humidifier, I always told her na di na pwede, bati as balay, matrabaho sa na siya, I'm really doing it para natin mahatag to give her something on her birthday that she likes. And I think this is one of them, and I hope she will like it. But we will prank her for the first time na kung bata, so I don't know what will happen in the morning when I greet her happy birthday. She will spank me, she will go, and instead of giving her this one, we will try to remove the humidifier inside the box and try to hide it. And okay, I'm just here in the different room talking a little bit slow, so she will not know that I'm awake. It's midnight. So this is it, guys. So we'll try to open this, and this is a good thing about Xiaomi, guys, is that it's really a good product. They have a really broad and a good products. And this is powered by Alexa or for OK Google. So tomorrow we will get her to OK Google, and here then we will try to control this humidifier by this one. Know if it's really working or not. But before that, we will try to discourage my wife. There's no inside here. So we will try to open this now. So this is it. So we will talk about this product more, demonstrate it to you more later, okay? So for now, okay. So this is the inside now. So what we will do is, instead of the humidifier, we'll try to put the toys of the next one. There we go. So make it more a little bit heavier. then it's a prank. So this is it, guys. All is okay now. It's already wrapped and ready for later this morning when my wife's wake up now. Together with our kids, they're sleeping in our room. So let's see the reaction when we sing happy birthday and surprise, blah blah blah, happy birthday. This is my gift to you, my wife, my dear. Okay, this is it, baby boy. Ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay. Shut it off. Okay, say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mama Deb. Mama Deb.
Happy birthday to you. You let Google sing happy birthday.
Hey Google, play Happy Birthday from Mama Deb.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
To you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Mama Deep. Here's our gift. Here's our surprise.
Keep it moving cause it's Wednesday.
Oh, his ate is sleeping.
Thank you. Is this a car?
Yeah.
Is this a car?
No. It's open the car.
Okay.
Oh, it's just underneath. Okay.
Opening gift natin.
We're opening the gift. Okay, I'm helping you, Mama Deb, okay?
Oh, you're the one who opened it, baby boy.
Why?
Mama Deb should be the one.
But I know how to rip the present. You just teach me how.
Okay. Let's see.
What's inside here?
Oh, it's the Xiaomi. Isn't it? Humidifier.
You like it?
Yeah. I like it.
You don't know what's inside?
Oh. Really, Mao?
But you don't know pa ganina. How's the rainbow? You don't know pa what's the inside. Already said he likes it.
Oh. You gotta be kidding me. There's to open this too. Why there's a Scotch tape. Papa, can you this
Of course, ready to not be open.
Papa, one. I just take it from your back.
No, gising na eh. Ito mo na gano'n, oh. Sila.
I already just hit the box.
Okay. That's 3. What? What? Okay. It's a prank. Okay. Is it? Well, there's a letter. Oh, good. There's a letter. Oh, says the happy birthday, my Dave. It's a prank.
Mama Dib. It's a cupcake.
It's a prank. Oh, that's one. The cupcake. Oh, thank you, baby boy. Happy birthday, Mama
Ay,
Dave.
yung babawan.
So, we're Hi, Auntie. Good morning. You don't see the gift of Mama Dude.
Stop yan, Bumblebee.
Din na mo, bye.
Ano mo kay Bax? Masod!
Oh, syempre. Okay. Kana siya yung humidifier ang hulman. Yan mo, to. Babas ka niyo. So ito sa prank, sa may reactions. Ate, magpasat ito. So, are you okay? Thursday, we'll buy na lang.
Yung nalawish.
Pag din sa konto si Buno, it's already locked down. How about Ati? You see the present of Mama Do? Hmm? Yeah, and this is the present.
What is inside there?
What's inside there? You don't know? This one. It's a prank! You just miss it! You just missed the prank! You just thought it's inside.
Today is going to be the
Oh.
best day
Tingnan
ever.
na. Best day ever. You see that? Good morning! Happy birthday, Mama dear!
Happy birthday, Rain!
Wow.
Happy birthday, Rain! It's not a sound. My dear, my dear.
What is that thing?
Oh, I lied.
What?
What
It's
is
not a
that?
prank.
Come here. And see for yourself.
Are you playing like that? Wait, what?
Hey, what? That's the inside, baby boy? You don't notice? You're just playing games there? You didn't notice that's inside? You didn't tell your mama did?
What is
Hey, come on.
Ah.
Come on, baby boy. Happy birthday, Mama Dave. You like my gift, Mama Dave?
Yeah.
But I'm trying to
I like the prank better. So what's that? Imong box, Rain? It's Bumblebee and Puppy.
Wait. I have to open that first. Guys, we're gonna make our new video. It's a new prank from Mama Do.
No, I was
Early.
pranked already. A
Yeah.
while earlier, I was
Oh.
pranked with Papa Ron's gift.
Hi guys. Please like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. I love you.
Like and subscribe.